The web map server is a software which serving the georeferences map from internet and the GIS database. The software is not only can serve the data from the GIS map, also can handle the data based on the different kinds of land use and soil type and hydraulic information. The WMS is becomes the most popular software can simulate the flood in specified area. Today, we are going to do the most important part of the simulation, the delineate of the watershed. Now we are moving to the computer. Here's the website for the GSDA to get the DM data. This is a website for get the land use and land cover. This is the website we can get the soil data. Okay. I already downloaded all the data together. It's right here. Now we are doing the WMS. Now, first step is open the WMS. This is the interface of the WMS now. And the first step, select File, click on Open. We are looking for the file like with the HDR extension name, so it's this one, HDR. Double click on it, and we don't need to change anything about this page because it's all about coordinate already in the file. So we just click on OK, and we don't need to convert coordinates, so click No. Now we have the DM data already in the WMS. Now the next step is create land use and soil coverage. We click on the coverage, right click, and we got new coverage. And we select value to the land use. Click OK. Same procedure, new coverage. To the soil type. Here we go. And now we are going to open the soil data. So we should make sure the soil type is activated. So it is a bold right now. It's good. And we need to right click on the GIS layer and add shapefile data. Now we need to open the shapefile, like the soil data we already downloaded from the website. This is the shapefile we already downloaded from the website and input into the WMS. Now we're going to the shapefile we already plugged it in. Now we are click on the open attribute table. We are make sure area, perimeter, and the MUID. There's 4 columns here. We click on OK. Now right click on the shapefile, join table to layer, and we should plug into the soil database. So it is the DBF's extension name file. So click on this one, and everything is pretty good. And we need to check change the table data field to hydrograph. Click OK. Now we are right click on the shapefile we already plugged in and open attribute table. Now we have the hydro group here. There's 5 columns already. It's good. Now we are going to convert soil shapefile data to future object. Select this, select shape tools, make a box, like we can focus in and then make a box here, and select the mapping shape future objects. Click next. We need to check the hydro group. It should be the SCS soul type attribute right there. It's good. We'll click next. Finished. Now we are only used this part of the DM data, so we can click the select the polygons and hide them. Here we go. That is what we need now. Now we are on the step to open the land use data. Select land use coverage. To make it active, right click on GIS layer. It's the same procedure. And load the land use data. Here we go. Select the select shape tool. Make a select and use the mapping feature objects. And we should make sure the LU code right there should be the land use attribute. It's okay now. We'll click on next. Finished. Okay, we can hide the land use now. That is pretty much what we need now. For this spicy fat map, we need to do the convert the coordinate system because I downloaded this data. It's from the different sources. So, okay, let's do this first. Actually, in the general delineation of the watershed, we don't need to do this this procedure. Select Edit, Coordinate Conversion. Select the spicy fight. Set projection. And we need to change to this is right. We need to change the projection to geographic. This one. And everything's good. Click on OK. And set vertical units to meters. So right, meters. So in the new projection section, select global projection. Set projection. And this is UTM is good. And the NAD 83, this is good. The zoom, in my map, I need to use the zoom 12. We can find the zoom from the website. So based on the different area of the data you select, click on OK. And now everything is pretty good. We need to click on OK. The software is running. Now we don't need anything, so we don't need the land use and soil data. So we can hide them. Now we are moving to delineate of the watershed. Select the drainage model on the top of the interface. Right there. And we are going to zoom in the watershed, and we are selecting DM compute TOPAZ flow data. everything's good. We don't need to change anything. And the unit is pretty good, so we are just directly click on OK. We are waiting for it becomes closed and click close. So we can see the string of the like the yellow, I mean the blue strings here on the map. Now we need to select the create outline point 2. It's this one, the yellow dot, and we select a parse, click on it, click on the blue line. Oh, we need to use the drainage active to make sure this one, and go back to drainage modeler. Click on this, work on this, click on it. It's okay, but be careful, don't click other side because you can go back to the last step. Now we are going to delineate the basing wizard. The unit is okay. We are clicking on OK, and everything is good in this page, so click on OK. So now we have the watershed already, and we have the area. This is pretty much the procedure. Like we need how to delineate the watershed. Thank you.